Alright, so you are getting ready to purchase a external antenna. Maybe you're looking at a 2x2, maybe you're looking at a 4x4 MIMO antenna, but you're trying to decide how much will this really improve my data speed for my 5G home internet, like this T-Mobile 5G gateway I have sitting on the desk in front of me. Now, I will help answer that question. This is one of many frequently asked question quick videos that I will put out. So this is Nate, and this is the Nader Tater channel. So be sure to check out my other videos. It is a little bit of a challenge to say exactly how much they will improve. What I will say is there is a cost increase by going to the 4x4, but really it's the right decision, and it's for a couple of reasons. One is the 2x2 has 2 cables, and the 4x4 has 4 cables, and almost all of these gateways have at least 4 connections that you want to hook up to. So you'll have to play a little bit of a game as far as which connections are best for you when you have a 2x2, whereas the 4x4 one is more straightforward. You're much better off just going the full boogie and getting the 4x4, because then you'll know you'll be getting the best performance that you can get at your place. Alright, and then the question as far as how much will this 4x4 really help your data speeds, I'll tell you down here in my basement where I'm at, this gateway effectively gets no signal and no service. It means it doesn't work at all. However, this specific antenna, if I put it up there on my roof, I can get hundreds of megabits per second in speed out of T-Mobile home internet. So in that case, I go from nothing to hundreds of megabits per second for download, and maybe it'll be 30, 40, it just kind of depends on megabits per second upload. So that, in my case, is technically like an infinite improvement. But if I put this on the first floor of my house, then I might be getting 40 or 50 megabits per second, and maybe I'm on a 5G extended, so N71 band, and it's usable speed, it's not bad, but then I'll be getting 4 or 5 times improvement by placing this antenna, or have this antenna up by the roof line and connecting to that. But then if I take this gateway itself and put it all the way up there, and I'm basically having this in the attic or right outside, then maybe I'm seeing like a 20-25% improvement with a 4x4 MIMO properly aimed. So that's maybe kind of a rough guide. I know it's a big change there. I basically just told you it goes from 25% improvement to maybe 25 times or more improvement. And that's going to really vary based off your specific situation in your house. But certainly a antenna this large, and with the good cables that come with it in the kit, it's going to improve your data speeds bar none. And you'll be extracting the best you can out of the signal that's available for you at your house.